Hi everyone, hope you're all having a great day. Today we're going to be covering BlackBerry stock because they have their Q2 for fiscal year 2024 earnings, which is going to be tomorrow on September 28, 2023 at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. So if you do want to listen to the conference call live as well, actually, you just go to BlackBerry Investors webpage and then just scroll down and there's going to be right about here, register to listen and all that stuff. It will be live at 5:30. Actually, I think it starts at 5:15, 5 o'clock, but it's just going to be a continuous song, whatever, until the conference call starts. And if you want to look at past performances in terms of the earnings release themselves and transcripts and all that stuff, you could do that on the BlackBerry Investors Relations website. Now, what I'm going to do in this video is show the preliminary numbers for the Q2. And again, the Q2 will be released tomorrow, so the actual numbers themselves, not just the preliminary estimates and so on and so forth. I'm going to compare them I'm going to do a year-over-year comparison for the quarter, and I'm going to do a quarter-over-quarter comparison as well in this video. And also at the same time, like always, disclaimer, I do own BlackBerry shares, so just be aware of that. And I'm not a financial advisor or professional or anything, so please do your own due diligence and research before buying and selling, like always. Now, if we look at the preliminary release, it was released on September 6, 2023, and they're reporting an estimate of $132 million approximately for the Q2 earnings. It's not too great, just because I'm going to show the reason why, because the previous earnings was about $138 million if you don't count the patent sale. And so that's a quarter-over-quarter decline, but I'll go through that after. Now, in terms of IoT side of the business, it's expected approximately about $49 million. So that's representing about 9% sequential growth, which is pretty good. Not amazing, but still better than nothing. And then for the cybersecurity side, it's $80 million. Now, they are saying it is lower than expected, primarily due to certain large government deal not closing in the quarter. The downfall about this, we don't know how big this government contract is. It's been stated that for, I think, the past 2 quarters it was supposed to come in. For sure, the last quarter, it was somewhat expected. Nothing has been said it was guaranteed to come in the last quarter, but we have been waiting quarter after quarter for it to come in. And at the same time, we don't even know necessarily how much worth the wait is, kind of thing to say, because they said it's a big, or like they even say it here, large government deal. Except at the same time, we don't know how large it is, because again, in the conference call last for the Q1, it was stated that this quarter will be slightly bigger or better than the Q1 quarter. And the Q1 quarter, if you don't count the patent sale, was $138 million. Well, now they're expecting for the Q2 to be $132 million. So it's not even a little bit better than the last quarter. So it's actually less than the last quarter. So that's the thing. So we'll see in terms of expectations and all that stuff. Licensing and other business units, revenue and so on and so forth is about $3 million. That's estimated, and then that's basically it. So we're going to have to wait and see. Now, in terms of quarter after quarter, quarter over quarter, I'm just going to do quick that one just because I already have it pulled it up. It was reported on June 28th, 2023 for Q1 fiscal year 2024. Total company revenue came in at $373 million, but this is because it includes the patent sale in terms of the 900 and then different types of chunks. So they got roughly about $235 million. If you subtract these two numbers, 373 minus 235, you get $138 million, give or take, right? Obviously. So obviously quarter over quarter decline. So that's a downfall. In terms of IoT, it is a growth quarter over quarter. So we had $45 million for the Q1 and we got $49 million for Q2. So that's good. And then in terms of cybersecurity, we have $93 million. And right now we're estimated to have $80 million. So quarter over quarter decline. The licensing side is kind of hard to compare, obviously. So there's that. And then in terms of last year's Q2. So that was Q1 quarter over quarter comparison. And then last year's Q2, we'll pull it up right now. Total company revenue came in at $168 million. So that's a year-over-year decline, obviously, right? We're expected 132 right now, and we got 168 last year. IoT was at $51 million, and we got $49 million, so shy of $2 million. And then cybersecurity was $111 million, and obviously $80 million once again. So year-over-year decline for sure. And then licensing was $6 million also, by the way. So this time it's $3 million this time. So last year was way better. So year-over-year decline for sure. And then quarter over quarter, mixed here and there. Still declined total company revenue though. But in terms of different types of sectors, some of them are better, some of them are worse. But we'll see. Tomorrow again is the conference call. So tune into that. I'll be doing a recap, or I'll do a recap after, but I'll go over the numbers once they're released. I usually post them like 5 minutes after they're released, so be on the lookout for that. If you do like the video, find it helpful, drop a like, helps out the channel, so thank you so much for that. And if you want to see when the videos to get posted and get notified, follow so you can be notified when they get posted. Thanks again for watching, appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.